Everybody, I'm Ryan and welcome to 113 Cycles. Today we got a really cool video for you. I got the chance to ride in a Shelby Ford Cobra. It belongs to Brickhouse Builds, or did. He has since sold the car. It is a replica, but if you want to know more about the car, make sure you check out Brickhouse Builds channel. I know he's got some videos on there. And yeah, it was a great time. We got a chance to ride. It was a spur of the moment, grab your camera and go kind of the deal, just a quick ride. So I really enjoyed it. You know, maybe the video is more for me, but stay tuned and watch it, and hopefully you like it. There. I'm not gonna put that up my butt. I got it. Oh. I'm gonna get my finger out of the way. Yeah.
Can you reach the gas?
Can I reach the gas?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Actually, how about this?
What do I need to do?
I gotta get something out of the trunk.
That's fine. What do you need to do? I'll jump out.
Turn handle. There's a pad in the back. It's just sitting right there.
Okay. So, something I can reach from here? Or?
No, well, that would be cool. No, you gotta get all the way back.
Oh, okay. All right.
I'm a little short, so I gotta drive this thing with a pad.
Ah.
And right now the car's cold, so it's not gonna idle.
So, how do I turn it?
Whatever way it turns.
Yeah.
Sounds so good. This is what America sounds like.
Yeah, that's perfect. Little pan. That looks comfortable. Oh, I didn't get it right. How do I turn it? Oh, right here.
It sounds so good.
America sounds like. Heck yeah, that's perfect. Little pad. That looks comfortable. Oh. This is awesome.
Good nighttime or sunset car. Right on my ass.
Those blue lights don't help either. And we're back. It smells so good too.
Yeah, the sound and smell.
Yeah. Just when you think the day can't get any better. My gosh, man, how can you not like that? Other Ryan, he probably calls me Other Ryan, but from Choice City Moto, learning the seat belts now.